What is one thing I wish churches knew about welcoming new people online? This one thing series might be getting more and more difficult each time. Can I just list a few things that are not my one thing real quick? Little things. Responding to email. Making worship times easy to find on your website. Being clear if you affirm LGBTQ+ folks. Creating easy on-ramps for new people to get connected to your community. Encouraging community members to engage with comments and questions. Including avenues people can take to find more information. Email this person, call this number, DM us. Being active on whatever social media platform you decide to be on. Shall I go on? No, I shan't. Because I need to tell you the one ultimate thing that I wish churches knew about welcoming new people online. Here it is. There are different ways to digitally engage with people who are already and are not yet part of your community. That's it? Yep, say more. Okay, there are ways that are more appropriate to digitally engage with the people that are already a part of or connected to your community in some way. They need to be updated of your opportunities. They need to be provided with spaces so they can engage with others in the community. They need to have their gifts celebrated and engaged. How can you do this? Email them newsletters. Encourage them in your Facebook groups for community members only. Send them group and personalized text messages. Invite them into volunteering roles. Engage those gifts more and more. Give them shout outs and engage with their content on various social media platforms. But these methods of engaging people already in your community are different from the methods of engaging people that are not yet part of your community or connected to it in any way. If the first time you meet someone, you invite them into a volunteer role, if you are in person, they're gonna run out your door. Similarly, if the first time you interact with someone online, you are asking something of them, give us money, give us your time, volunteer for this thing, come in person to this thing, do something at all. They're probably not gonna wanna engage with you any further. They're gonna think all you want from them is their thing, their time, their energy, their money. Typically in church, before we ever ask these things of someone in person, we have established some kind of relationship. Establishing relationships takes time, it takes energy, it takes two-way communication. So focus on fostering these relationships, and honestly, as a faith leader, you already know how to do this. Now, if you are totally blanking and would prefer some examples, I'm gonna give you some, but first, I have to tell you, we have an entire module on this entire conversation in our DIY Digital Communications Review course. In this module, we spend a lot of time talking about how to integrate these new people that come across your community online into your community. How do we build those relationships? We talk about techie tips for how to do this digitally. We talk about ways to put into practice in your content creation and your communication style. And this conversation on integration and on-ramps is just one of 7 modules helping you make your digital communications for your ministry more effective and more efficient as possible. We talk about websites, we talk about social media, we talk about content creation and video and email. And this is all on sale through the end of this week, only 25% off for launch week. We're excited, we're launching it, we're giving you a huge discount on this, all of this material. It's a lot. So if you happen to catch this video in the week that we're putting it out, which hopefully you're already subscribed so you're getting alerts when we post new videos, you will know that this is still a discounted price for you, and I hope you take advantage of it. Okay, let's dive into some examples of how we can foster these relationships with new people online, people that have no connection with our faith community, our church already. Share something about your day. That's it. Doesn't have to be churchy, can be churchy. Just something about your day. Highlight a key member and what they are involved with within and outside of your community. This will just give some behind the scenes of not only your people, but also what happens in your church. Share a fun fact about your denomination. People probably don't know much about it. Teach on a theological concept. Encourage people in their day. Who doesn't love to be encouraged? Sing or share a song that they can enjoy and share with others. Offer advice for how to handle a difficult situation. Each of these actions offers some kind of value to the people that are coming across your post online. This is going to help them get to know you as a community, get to know you as a leader without ever being asked for money or for their volunteer time. And one of the best parts is that this is not only going to help you form new relationships with people that have no connection to your community yet, but it's going to help you foster relationships with people that are already connected to your community in some way. They're going to get to know you better, they're going to get to know their community better, they're going to get to know the other people around better. It's just all around good stuff. If this was helpful for you, make sure to subscribe below, and to level up your digital communications even further, be sure to buy our DIY Digital Communications Review course. And if you're lucky, you can still catch it while it's 25% off this week only. Peace!